Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and in today's video I'm going to be testing out the gel nail technique on a polymer clay. Here's the video that I saw on TikTok and I decided to try it out on a polymer clay. So let's get started. And as usual, if you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to hit the red button, like this video, leave a comment down below, and let's keep going. And as usual, I'm starting by conditioning the clay. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using white and purple polymer clay. Also, I'm going to be using holographic nail powder. I'm attaching the link down below if you're interested, check it out. And I decided to cut out just some random shapes and make them a little bit smaller. After that, I'm adding on the nail holographic powder on top of the raw clay. The colors can be mixed and matched, so it doesn't matter which color I'm applying to what clay. On the darker colors, the powder tends to be more vibrant, and on the white clay, it looks a little bit less vibrant. Here are my shapes and now I'm baking them. After baking, I'm sanding them just a little bit to get rid of those excess of the clay on the edges. And now I'm using a small container where I mix the dish soap and the water. I'm mixing it to create a lot of foam. Now using the translucent gel nail polish, I'm applying it on top of the polymer clay. I'm using the gel nail polish just because I'm out of the UV epoxy resin. You can definitely use the UV epoxy resin for this technique. I'm applying like a medium layer of the translucent gel nail polish. So it's not too little, but not also too much. After that, I'm scooping the foam from the little container with the brush and gently applying on top. and curing it in a lamp for like a minute or so. After the resin is cured, I'm just removing the lamp and then removing the excess of the foam. And here's what I got. Now I'm just repeating the process with all the beads that I have just to see how the effect is gonna look like on a different colors. And here are all of the beads that I did. I definitely like the brighter colors better than the dark ones, even though the silver and the gold color looks interesting, but I didn't like it that much. And here is also want to show you kind of like a crush test, so you see how durable this layer can be. So I'm just bending the polymer clay, and you can see like after the soldering angle it starts cracking, but I'm thinking if you're not going to bend your earrings or any pieces that you're making that much, it's gonna be pretty durable and stay on. And if you're interested in the process of how I assemble the earrings using the beads from this tutorial, I'm gonna upload this video on my Patreon page. The link is gonna be down in the description, so check it out. And here's my final result. I did earrings out of these two lighter pieces, and I really like this effect. It's kind of like a water drops. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please share with me in the comments down below, and we see each other in the next video.